Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about a very small, colorful and migrant bird. The Indian Pitta. The Indian Pitta is a colorful stubby-tailed bird, also known as Navrang, translated as 9 colors. Colors are most striking when the bird is in flight. It is native to the Indian subcontinent. It inhabits shrub jungles and deciduous and dense evergreen forests. It breeds in the forests of Himalayas, hills of central and western India, and migrates to the other parts of the peninsula in the winter. It has a distinctive 2-note whistling call, which is heard at dawn and dusk around 6 o'clock. For this reason, it is also called the 6 o'clock bird. They sound like although very colorful, it is usually shy and hidden in the undergrowth where it picks insects on the forest floor. Called Avichchiya, migrates spread all over Sri Lanka. It's not unusual to find large flocks even in Colombo, but they will be exhausted when they arrive. I have not seen the Indian Pita, but I think I might see one in Colombo one day.